Doctor, we've heard a lot about xanthocumol. Can you explain what that is?
Xanthocumol is a micronutrient found in hops. The biological name for hops is Humulus lupulus, but it's known as hops, and this is a biological compound in small amounts found in the flowers of hops plants, discovered in 1913. Nobody paid very much attention to it until the early 90s, when it came to the attention of scientists at the Linus Pauling Institute, who realized that it had really major, profound properties and started to research. And since the 90s, researchers all over the world have been doing revolutionary studies on the nature of xanthocumol, which is now known as a master molecule because it does so many things. It's really a unique molecule.
So when you say hops, most people are going to think of beer right away. Is it found in beer, or is there beneficial amounts in that?
Actually, it is found in beer, but it's found in very microscopic amounts in beer. In other words, if you wanted to get the health benefits of the xanthocumol from beer, you would have to sit down and drink 300 to 500 beers at a time, which is something that I would not recommend for anybody. You need to get a concentrate in order to get the health benefits from xanthocumol, and that is now available in concentrated form.